channel. My name is Liam, Head of Technical here at Oprema, and today we're delving into the world of PSUs or power supplies, specifically the Elmdene Live Power series. Elmdene are well known for their high quality power supplies, and Live Power series is no exception to this. This particular model is available in both grade 2 and grade 3 variants. The EN50131 and PD12662 compliant. This particular version I'm using here is the LPS 12-G3, which is a grade 3 version. Very similar, but there are a couple of differences between this and the grade 2. What I'll do is I'll pop this open, we'll go through some of the key features together, and we discuss this and why this is the perfect enclosure and power supply for your installations. Firstly, let's discuss the space saving. The compact and sleek design reduces the power supply footprint by up to 50%. Even with the reduction in the footprint, the Live Power series supplies have been designed to house and power the most common alarm signalling communicators, whilst also accommodating and charging the inbuilt lithium battery packs. As I said, it's available in two versions. The grade 2 variant has a 12-hour backup battery. The grade 3 version, which is this version here, is a 30-hour backup battery. In addition to that, the units themselves have a front and also rear tamper, with extended lifespan, which is 3 times more than your standard lead acid battery. There's 5 times greater power cycle performance and incorporates additional battery safety features such as deep discharge protection, over and under voltage protection, over and under temperature protection, and many more. In addition to that, the power supply itself does benefit from a range of outputs. It has the tamper output, an EPS fault, which is your mains fault, Gen fault, which is your PSU fault, and APS fault, which is your battery fault. So there you have it. That's the Elmdene Live Power series PSUs. It's a fantastic choice if anyone needs a reliable, compliant and effective power supply. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, like, subscribe to our channel for more reviews and tech videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. And thank you for Elmdene for letting us review their product, the Live Power series by Elmdene. As you know, we give a thumbs up here at Oprema. If you need any more information, please reach out to Elmdene or any of your local Oprema representatives. Thank you, keep watching, like, share, subscribe.